From our loyalty to the idea of fresh coffee comes an innovative product, the A8 Automatic. Its advantages. With the same features as the Fresh line, the Automatic introduces a new dosing system letting you pre-grind 2 shots. It automatically selects the amount and weight separately. With this development, different cultural and personal grinding options are no longer a boundary, and each cup of coffee is unique. Establishments with a lot of staff changes will also appreciate this grinder because it facilitates the learning process of your baristas. It's easy to use, and its electric panel, like the extension of the hand, does the rest.
Its 83mm diameter flat burrs and its direct current motors optimize production. Cleaning and maintenance are made simpler with an easy access to the dosing chute. The simple menu helps you navigate through the grinding regulation point, consumption statistics, burr change warning, language selection, etc.
In short, a professional and reliable machine with all its features within your reach.